So you're in your car and you have your fob and you're trying to start your car and the car won't start. Your fob's in your pocket and you're not sure what to do. So you take your fob and you put it next to the button and you push the button. So even if the battery's dead, it will still work. And I'll show you how to do that. And I'll also show you how to change the battery. It's very quick and easy. So I've got my fob. So I've got my fob like I'm in my pocket. I step on the brake, push and see if we can start it. It actually starts. System check. Key battery low. It doesn't say it's dead, but I'm going to take the battery out so you can tell it's completely dead, and then I'm going to start the car. Okay, I've taken the key out of the fob. I've got the little board there. Got the battery there. Okay, if you just stick the key underneath, you can pop it right out. So the battery's out. Key fob is dead. So I'm just going to put it back in. Let's see. Put the motherboard back in. Make sure I've got the right ends together. This one-handed just really does not work. Okay, this has got to be the other direction. And then you can see this round spot right here is over where the battery would go. So now I can set it back there and it will click back together. And now if what I said was true, you're supposed to be able to put this right next to the button and push. So you can start the car with no battery in your key fob. That's kind of the miracle of it. Got a little Bluetooth something or other in here that even if there's no power, it can read it right next to there. So the car is working right now. It's running. And I'll stop it. And I'll put it back right where I would have my pocket. See now, it's not detecting the key, but if I put it up closer again, I have to put it right up by it. Okay, let me put the other end of it by it. Okay, so when I put this other end by it, it registered and lit up all the dashboard. So it's this end that has whatever magic in there that will start your car with no battery. So I'll pop this on just to show you that there is no battery. Oh. See, there's no battery in there. All right, I'm going to see how long it takes to actually change the battery from opening it up to snapping it together. So you push this end of the button there. Let's see. I'm going to time it. So ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. It's taking me longer to open this up than it's going to change it. Okay, get out of the package. About 35, 36, 37, 38. You got to be smarter than the package. The heck? It's like it's got another layer. It does have 2 layers. Okay, I'm going to do this again. Scissors. Okay, the smart way to do this is get some scissors and cut through it. Oh, yep, there's an extra thing in there. Okay, so this is the good one. This is the bad one. And never the twain shall meet. Okay, I'm going to start over. We're going to do this again. Round circle down here, round circle here. Put it down there. Rounded parts together.
Except you just put the bad.
Okay, so I'm going to change it. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, about 17 seconds. And that's if you do it after you have the battery cut out. Now, batteries come in packages of 1, 2, 6, 9, and 4,000. I don't know how many. But this one is about $3. You can get individual ones, or if you've got 2 of these and you want to change them both at the same time, it's about $5 or $6 for 2 of them. 6 are about $10. I don't know why you'd need 6, but they are and of course they covered up the label. The ones you need are 2032s. And that's part that probably is covered up by that shipping little label. There you go. That's the battery you need, and it will probably last you 5 years. This is now working, and that's as easy as it is. This is the bad one. No need for that. So like and subscribe, and leave any comments down below about what your experiences are with changing it. But it's very easy. Just take that out, put that end in, pop it open, yeah, pop it open, change it, but ow, don't put your finger in there. Put it back, snap it together, and you're done. Thanks for watching.